Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of the stock market and help beginners understand the basics. If you're new to investing or just curious about how the stock market works, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is the stock market? The stock market is where buyers and sellers trade shares of publicly listed companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of ownership in that company. Stock prices fluctuate based on factors like company performance, economic conditions, and investor sentiment. Now, let's cover some essential terms you'll encounter in the stock market. First, let's talk about stocks. These are shares of ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you become a shareholder. Next, we have dividends. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Another important concept is volatility. The stock market can experience rapid price changes, so it's essential to be prepared for ups and downs. Lastly, we'll discuss risk. All investments carry some level of risk, but diversification and research can help mitigate it. Remember, investing in the stock market requires patience, research, and a long-term perspective. Thanks for joining us today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Once again, thank you.